Water is life. It flows through everything we do, from the glass we drink, to the fields that feed us, to the ponds that grow our fish. But what happens when this very lifeline turns silent and dangerous? Across rural India, and especially in Bihar, water quality is often an invisible crisis. People use it every day, yet very few know if it's truly safe. Contaminated water doesn't come with a warning. It doesn't look different, but it quietly harms health, destroys livelihoods, and impacts entire communities. It causes diseases. It reduces crop yield. It kills fish. It harms livestock. And, most importantly, it puts our health and future at risk. That's why monitoring water quality isn't just important, it's urgent. At Nature Dots, we believe that people have the right to know what's in their water, because knowledge is the first step towards action. That's the idea behind the AquaNurch Champion Initiative. Through this program, we train local communities, especially youth and women, to become water quality champions. With simple testing kits and the AquaNurch app, they learn how to test their water, understand the results, and take action to protect their health and livelihoods. When we arrived in Shadi Pur, a village in the Gaya district of Bihar, a state where high concentration of arsenic, fluoride, and iron in groundwater in rural areas in 31 of 38 districts is posing a major health hazard, we didn't start with instructions. We started with listening. We sat down with farmers, women, and young people. We asked them about the community, their livelihood, their water, and the pain points they face every day, from failing crops to dying fish and water they can't trust. The answers came as stories. Reducing soil fertility, declining groundwater levels, climate patterns changing, and with them, their water. After hearing them, we moved to the next step, learning by doing. We held a hands-on training session on water quality monitoring. We explained why water quality matters, not just for drinking, but for farming, for animals, for fish, and even for local businesses like poultry farming. We taught how to test for different water quality parameters. Each of these tells us something important. Heavy metals like lead or arsenic, the water is unsafe to drink, it can cause serious illness. High nitrate, it harms livestock, and in babies, it can cause the blue baby syndrome. High ammonia, that pond may be harmful to fish. Wrong balance of farm nutrients, crops grow weak and soil turns poor. And here's the most powerful part. The community didn't just watch. They participated. They asked questions. When community members tested their own water and saw the invisible made visible. For many, it was the first time the science of water met the reality of their daily lives. That's the moment the transition began. Not just awareness, but empowerment. What we saw in Shadi Pur wasn't just a training session. It was a turning point. A moment when people became more than users of water. They became guardians of it. This is what the AquaNurch Champions Initiative is about. Building a generation of informed, empowered water stewards, village by village. Because when people understand their water, they can protect it. And when they protect their water, they protect their health, their livelihoods, and their future.